Hi, I'm Doug Whitewolf. I'm glad you're interested in finding out more about the self-paced Algebra 1-2 class here at Cleveland High School. I'm going to be working with Shannon Russell, or Miss Shannon, and she will be involved with your students' learning primarily. I have created the course, and she will be helping students work their way through that course. Students can earn first and second semester credit in this course. We're only offering it here during the second semester, but they can earn both credits for first and second semester. That's really important to know. Students will work at the pace that's right for them. They can go through as many lessons as they're able to in a week and move through first semester quickly if they're able to do that. And then they can start on second semester content. They will pick a time to meet with Miss Shannon on a weekly basis where they can talk about what they understand, what they don't understand, what they need help with. And that'll be an important time for them to really iron out any confusion that they might have. She's going to be also available during other times for one-on-one help with students. Parents and guardians, you can contact me to become an observer on Canvas. And what that means is that you'll be able to see all of your child's coursework and assignments for this Algebra 1-2 self-paced class. But you'll also be able to see all their work for those other classes as well. So my contact information is available at the end of this little presentation, and you can copy it down there. I do hope to hear from you and hook you up as an observer with your child on Canvas. These are the units broken down by semester. In the first semester, students cover one variable statistics, solving equations, linear relations, and linear forms. Once they complete those units, they'll earn first semester credit. In the second, that's when they move on to the second semester, where they will study systems of equations, inequalities, quadratics, and exponential functions. The layout of the course is in Canvas modules. And here you can see a module. This is the first unit, one variable statistics. And students will work their way through the unit, starting at the top and working their way down. So the first topic is mean, median, and mode. And then we have video notes for that topic, and then some practice problems for that topic. So I'll go into more detail in just a moment on that, but there's what an entire unit looks like on Canvas. Each module consists of topics. So again, I'll zoom in here so that you can see those same topics. Mean, median, mode, and range, histograms interpreting data 1, histograms interpreting data 2, box plots, standard deviation, and then that's all of those topics. Then there's the review, and then the assessment. Each topic has two parts, video and notes, and practice problems. In the video and notes, so right here, this is the first one, it's worth 5 points. Students will receive a packet full of all the coursework that they're going to need for the first unit. And hopefully they'll be receiving that very soon. And it has notes where the students will take notes on the exact same piece of paper that I'm doing the notes on in the video. So it should be really clear. And then they'll take a picture of that and upload it to Canvas. After they submit their notes here on the video and notes, they'll do the practice problems. And it's important to notice here, there are 10 points available, and they need to score at least a 7 in order to move on to the next topic. So the program will not allow students to move on before they've understood that content. Now, that may sound a little worrisome, but don't worry, they can do and redo those assignments as many times as they need to. So if they score a 5 on that first attempt, then they can try it again, or maybe they go and they see Miss Shannon and get some help about how to do those problems. And then they can redo it and then move on to histograms interpreting data. That way we know that students are learning the material before they progress to the next part. The topics must be completed in order. And as I said, students have to get 7 out of 10 on practice problems with multiple attempts available. After they complete all the topics, then they do the unit review for all of the topics. Before they can move on to the unit assessment, they have to earn 70% on that. So in this example, and it's worth 35 points here, which means they have to score at least a 24.5. That's 70% of the points possible. This is Miss Shannon's information. Her Google Meet code is Math Victory, and she is often there waiting for students to come along, and she's happy to help you out. You'll set up an appointment time with her that you'll meet regularly on a weekly schedule. But you can also email or text or call. Her phone number's right there. And you can say, oh, I need to meet you a different time, or I'm having a really hard time right now. Are you available? And Miss Shannon's really helpful, and she will be happy to help you out. My email is dwight1@pps.net. And if you want to receive messages through Remind related to this class, you can send a text message, and the text message should be at GEFC7B. That's the text that you should send to the number 81010. That will automatically add you to the Remind class for this self-paced algebra course. I'm excited to work with everyone out there. And if you have any questions, please do email me. I'll be happy to answer them. And the quickest way to contact me is through Remind. I get those text messages even when I'm not near my computer. So good luck to everybody this year. I hope everyone earns first and second semester credit, and that you find this to be a really helpful way to do math. Be well. Take care.